The development of AI drone swarms also raises serious ethical concerns. These concerns are not just theoretical, they have real-world implications that could affect global security and human lives. One of the biggest worries is the possibility of autonomous killing machines. These drones could make life-and-death decisions without human intervention, leading to unintended casualties and moral dilemmas. If these drones can think for themselves, who is ultimately responsible for their actions? Is it the engineers who designed them, the military personnel who deployed them, or the policymakers who approved their use? This question of accountability is complex and troubling. Another concern is the potential for these technologies to fall into the wrong hands. The security measures in place may not be foolproof, and the risk of hacking or unauthorized access is ever present. What if terrorist organizations or rogue states got their hands on AI drone swarms? The technology could be used for nefarious purposes, leading to devastating attacks that are difficult to defend against. The consequences could be catastrophic. Entire cities could be laid to waste, and the loss of innocent lives would be immeasurable. The ethical implications of AI in warfare are profound and demand careful consideration.
Section 5. The uncertain future of war. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the landscape of warfare is undergoing a profound transformation. The development of AI drone swarms represents a significant leap forward in military technology. These drones can operate autonomously, making decisions in real time and executing complex missions with minimal human intervention. While these technologies offer potential advantages, they also raise profound ethical and strategic questions that we must address urgently. How do we ensure that AI systems are used in a manner that aligns with our values and principles? What safeguards can we put in place to prevent misuse? The future of warfare is changing rapidly, and the role of AI is only going to grow. AI has the potential to revolutionize military strategy, making operations more efficient and reducing the risk to human soldiers. However, this also means that the nature of conflict itself may change in ways we cannot yet fully predict. As we enter this new era of warfare, it is crucial that we proceed with caution, ensuring that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and ethically. The decisions we make today will shape the future of global security and the nature of conflict for generations to come. It is our responsibility to navigate this uncertain future with wisdom and foresight.